In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fry a crispy, crunchy granuts in case you want to start a business. Frying granite is very, very easy, but there are different ways of frying granuts. The first thing is to clean your granuts, then pour it hot water. This recipe was gotten from my mother. And after that, you now turn the granuts, make sure all the oil is out, rinse it out and remove the water from the granuts. And after separating the water from the granuts, the next thing is to add it salts. Do not use your hand to touch this granite so that the body will not remove. So we have to add some salt. Add the salt to your own taste, guys. So I added it to my taste and started turning the granite. Don't use your hand to turn this particular granite, honestly, so that the body will not be removed. That is what my mother told me. And the next thing we are going to do right now is to spray the granite on this sack bag so that it can get dry for 24 hours. So after drying this particular granite, this is going to help you to get a crispy granite, guys. Now look at how the granite turns out the next day. This is 24 hours. After all the drying, it comes out like this. So right now we're going to fry these granules. Are you ready to fry this granule to get that crispy granule that you're looking for? It's easy to fry granules, honestly. I didn't know since I've been afraid of frying this granule. So right now we're going to fry the granule. Some people use sand, but right now I'm going to be using gari, any of the above. You can also bake. Some people want to bake their granules. So we have these three types, anyhow that you want to do. So allow the gari to get hot. After getting hot, you add some granules inside the gari and you start frying, guys. Getting set to fry this particular granules. You see the outcome now. So after frying it, you see it's all going. You can still touch your granite. Once you see that the granite has started peeling, guys, you know that this granite is already still getting set to be eaten. This particular style is very, very awesome. Honestly, I never knew I can fry this type of granules. I thought it's a hard work pays, but this one, there's no hard work in starting this particular business.
Not brown.
Honestly, you can make money starting a granite business, especially for people that wants to go into granite. Don't be afraid. This is one of the best business. It's a snack. And everybody likes to eat granite. We use granite to eat different kinds of things. People use it to do peanut sauce. People use it to eat different kinds of things, do some parties and all of that. Making money frying granules is a very, very profitable business. Actually, if you want to go into that. So you can see this granule is getting set. You'll see the outcome, guys. Don't, keep frying it and keep checking how it's happening. And finally, guys, we have something. We have something. We have something. So I started frying the second batch of the granules. We use granules to even cook soup. I forgot to tell you that. So if you want to go into this particular business, you can buy more quantity. Don't buy by cup. I will not advise you to buy by cup. You can buy by, at least buy a half bag of it or a full bag. At least start small. Buy half bag of the granules and fry it this particular way. You will see that people will be rushing your granules. People will be calling you on phone to buy your granules. This particular style that I use is very, very nice for this particular granules. It was my mother that taught me how to do these granules. And if you are looking for a business to start, you are into food business, granules is a very, very profitable business for you to do. You can see it's coming up, guys. It's actually coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. So right now the granite is ready. After frying that, I had to sieve it and remove the gari, separate them, gari and the granite. You can see I'm separating it right away. And this is it. The granite is so nice. It came out exactly the way I want my granite to be. I never knew I can fry this kind of beautiful granite, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribing. If you fry your groundnut this way, guys, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make good amount of money. I'm the one telling you this thing. No, I'm not lying. Now look at how it came out. Very, very clean. Very, very neat. You see, I'm crispy, beautiful. The taste, I didn't even tell you about the taste of this granite. The taste of this granite is so beautiful. Thank you, my mother. Thank you for thank you, my subscribers, for watching. This is very, very great. Plain granules. You see,
Very nice.
this is a
Yes, sir.
nice business. If you want to go into this business, you're into food business. I support you 100%.